Hello everybody and welcome to another Flutter video tutorial. In this video you will learn about animations, a very smooth and attractive animation. So as you can see on the screen, by the end of this video you will learn how to animate something on your screen like this. Let me click on this button. As you can see, this beautiful animation that animate by our clicking. So if you're new in this channel, you can subscribe the channel and you can smash the bell icon. So let's jump to the code and start how we can do this animation. And also we will do another animation at the same video. So for the first one, let's get started. As you can see, I have already created this app and I use a simple animation package that is available on pub.dev. As I can show you here, you can see this is the simple animation. For now it is version 4.0.1 and you can click in here, or you can go to installing and click to the copy and take it to your pubspec.yaml file and paste it here, and then click to this small button to get, or click Ctrl S to save it, and then it is done. After that you can create your main. As you can see, the main function, it has the material app, scaffold and body, and its child. It will call this page. What is this page? This page is an stateful widget. So let's go further inside this. So as you can see here, the custom animation control, animate control is equal to custom animation control.play. As you can see in the build method, it returns the custom animation with a few parameters. As you know, the control that we defined here, we will initialize, or we will bind to this control, and then we use the twin as we did it on other animations also, and we give it the beginning and the end value to the twin. And for now it's starting from minus 100 to and end 100. In its build property, it takes context and children with a double value. It will return the transfer animation. This animation moves the children to left and right. The offset of this, it will be the value and the 0 point. And in its child we are going to give the child, and it is done. Let's go to the button. This is the button, the material button, which I used there. You can use anything you want, but for now, as you can see, I use this button and give it a color, the color.accent green. But you can change anyway, like I can change it to yellow accent and see the result. And now it is yellow. So then on press of this button, I just called this toggle direction. It is a method that is created here, and in its child of this material button, as you can see, we have our text that shows click me. As you can see, the void toggle directions, it will toggle. As you can see, here is the set stat class that it will update whenever we toggle it. What it does, as you can see, the control is equal to control custom animation dot play. The ternary operators, it check whether it is play reverse. If it is not, then it will go to apply this. If it is already in reverse, then it will apply this one. So this is it, guys, and let's check it again and see the animation. And as you can see, I can click, it goes from 100 to 1 minus 100. And if you want to change it from 100 to another value, like I'm giving it to 10, and let's check it this time, it will goes from 100 to 10. So whether you can change the minus value or the end value. So this is done. Let's go to another one that I'm going to show you. It is another animation. So guys, as you can see on the screen, this square box, the beginning is start from minus 100 to end with the 100 value. So let's check it out how we do this. So as you can see, here is also the main and the same, no changes here. Inside this build method, it returned this time the mirror animation. And also this mirror animation takes this twin animation that start a value and end to a value, that we are giving it 100, minus 100 and to 100. And we are going to set the duration for this. The duration will be 2 seconds for now. If you want, you can change it for yourself. And it takes another property, that is curve property, and we use the, as you can see for now, inside the curve dot easy in out sign used, and you can change it whatever you want. And inside the builder, you can see it takes the same context and child and a double value, and its offset also the same. The value will be there, and the 0 and the child is child. After that, you can see there is inside the child there is a container that was animating this container. It will, as you can see, the width and height is 100 and the color is equal to green. So guys, thank you for watching till the end of this video. If you like it, you can thumbs up, and if you're still not subscribed to our channel, you can press the subscribe button.